Welcome, fellow travelers. Today's journey takes us to the heart of Europe, to the land of stunning landscapes, Austria. This gem of a country is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, from the towering alpine peaks to the tranquil crystal-clear lakes. This video is your ticket to experiencing some of the best scenic spots that Austria has to offer. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the beauty of Austria. First, we venture into the majestic Austrian Alps. As we ascend into the heart of Europe, the world around us transforms into a grand spectacle of snow-capped peaks, lush valleys, and a sky so blue it merges with the horizon. The Austrian Alps aren't just a geographical wonder, they're an example of nature's grandeur and grace. Here, every season offers an invitation to explore the great outdoors. In winter, the mountains become a playground for skiers and snowboarders, their icy slopes gleaming under the sun. Imagine the thrill of speeding down these slopes, the cold wind against your face, the world blurring into a rush of white and blue. When the snow melts and spring arrives, the landscape changes once more. Meadows bloom with wildflowers, rivers gush with renewed vigor, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of nature awakening. This is the perfect time for hiking, with countless trails weaving through the mountains, each promising an adventure and a breathtaking view. And let's not forget the charming alpine villages that dot these highlands. Imagine quaint homes with sloping roofs, nestled against the backdrop of towering mountains. These villages are a blend of tradition and warmth, where the sound of church bells echoes through the valleys, and locals greet you with a friendly good morning. Here you can indulge in hearty Austrian cuisine, like the world-renowned Wiener Schnitzel, or the comforting Kaiserschmarrn, a fluffy shredded pancake. Each meal is a celebration of the land and its bounty. In the Austrian Alps, you'll also discover a rich tapestry of culture and history. The mountains have been a silent witness to centuries of change, and their stories are etched into the landscape, waiting to be discovered. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking for your next thrill, a nature enthusiast seeking tranquility, or a culture vulture eager to explore, the Austrian Alps have something for everyone. The Austrian Alps are indeed a paradise for nature and adventure lovers. This majestic landscape, with its stunning vistas and vibrant culture, is a testament to the enduring beauty of our world. So pack your bags and get ready to experience a journey like no other. Next, we dive into the tranquil beauty of Austria's Lake District, Salzkammergut. Emerging from Austria's heartland, the Salzkammergut region unfolds like a storybook, brimming with idyllic landscapes that are as diverse as they are captivating. Let's whisk ourselves away to this enchanting realm, where majestic mountains and shimmering lakes conspire to create picture-perfect vistas at every turn. A constellation of 76 lakes, each unique and breathtaking, adorns Salzkammergut. These natural mirrors, reflecting the splendor of the surrounding alpine peaks, are the area's crowning glory. From the tranquil waters of Lake Wolfgangsee to the emerald beauty of Lake Mondsee, each lake has its own charm, promising to invigorate your senses with their serene aura. Nestled on the banks of these heavenly bodies of water are quaint towns that seem to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. St. Gilgen, Hallstatt, and Bad Ischl, to name a few, are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Here, traditional Austrian architecture and the leisurely pace of life are an invitation to slow down, soak in the atmosphere, and savor the simple pleasures of life. But don't be fooled by Salzkammergut's peaceful demeanor. The region is a playground for adventure seekers. Whether you prefer boating on the crystal-clear waters, cycling along the picturesque trails, or hiking up the challenging mountain paths, Salzkammergut offers a wealth of recreational activities to satisfy your thirst for excitement. As you traverse through the region, don't forget to sample the delicious local cuisine. From hearty stews to delectable pastries, the culinary delights of Salzkammergut are a gastronomic adventure in their own right. In Salzkammergut, the embrace of nature, the allure of adventure, and the tranquility of lakeside towns converge to create a symphony of experiences that linger in your memory long after your journey ends. A journey through the mountains is more than just a travel experience, it's a celebration of life's simple pleasures and the joy of discovery. Salzkammergut's serene landscapes are truly a sight to behold. Now let's journey into the heart of Austria's capital, Vienna, and explore its beautiful gardens and parks. Imagine stepping into a world where the past and the present intertwine seamlessly, where nature's splendor meets human creativity. This is the charm of Vienna's gardens and parks. Let's begin with the Schönbrunn Palace Garden. This remarkable space is a legacy of the Habsburg monarchy, a testament to their love for the exquisite and the grand. Its meticulously manicured lawns and geometrically arranged flower beds are a sight to behold, and the Gloriette, an ornate structure atop a hill, offers panoramic views of Vienna that are simply breathtaking. But the Schönbrunn Palace Garden is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a place where you can walk in the footsteps of emperors, where every tree and path echoes with stories from centuries past. Yet, it's also a place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city, to find a moment of tranquility amidst the birdsong and the rustling leaves. Now let's take a stroll to the Vienna Prater, a park that offers a different kind of delight. Here, the vast green meadows invite you to lay down a picnic blanket and while away an afternoon under the sky. The Prater's crowning glory is the giant Ferris wheel, a symbol of Vienna that has been turning since the late 19th century. It's not just a ride, it's a journey back in time, a chance to see the city through the eyes of those who lived here over 100 years ago. These parks and gardens are the green lungs of Vienna, offering a breath of fresh air in the metropolitan expanse. They are places where the Viennese come to relax, to play, to celebrate life. They are a testament to Vienna's commitment to preserving its natural beauty and its historical heritage, creating spaces where everyone can enjoy the best of both worlds. The gardens and parks of Vienna are a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical charm. Finally, we cruise along the picturesque Wachau Valley. Nestled between the towns of Melk and Krems, a mere hour's drive from the bustling city of Vienna, lies the Wachau Valley, a place of exquisite beauty and charm. This region is a true feast for the senses, with its rolling hills blanketed in vineyards, historic towns dotting the landscape, and the serene Danube River flowing through its heart. It's no wonder that the Wachau Valley is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its cultural and natural significance. Let's delve a bit deeper into this captivating region. The Wachau Valley is famed for its wine, with vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. The region's unique climate and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for growing a variety of grapes, producing wines that are as diverse and distinctive as the landscape itself. From crisp, aromatic whites to robust, full-bodied reds, the Wachau Valley offers a wine for every palate. But the appeal of the Wachau Valley extends beyond its vineyards. This region is home to a number of historic towns, each with its own unique charm. Take Dürnstein, for instance, a medieval town renowned for its cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and the imposing Dürnstein Castle, a historical marvel that offers panoramic views of the valley. And then there's the Danube River, a constant, tranquil presence winding its way through the valley. The river plays a crucial role in the region's charm, its shimmering waters reflecting the verdant hills and quaint towns on its banks. Whether you're cruising down the river, hiking along its trails, or simply enjoying the view from a riverside cafe, the Danube River adds an extra layer of beauty to the already stunning Wachau Valley. The Wachau Valley, with its enchanting landscapes, is a must-visit for every travel enthusiast. This Austrian gem, with its scenic beauty, rich history, and tantalizing wines, offers a truly unforgettable experience. So if you're planning your next adventure, make sure the Wachau Valley is on your list. You won't be disappointed. And that, dear travelers, brings us to the end of our scenic journey through Austria. We've journeyed through the breathtaking Austrian Alps, with their towering peaks and snow-capped summits. We've wandered through the enchanting Lake District, Salzkammergut, with its glittering lakes and quaint villages. We've strolled through the lush gardens and parks of Vienna, a city that beautifully marries history with nature. And we've cruised down the serene Wachau Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning landscape and world-class wines. Each of these locations offers a unique experience, a moment of peace and tranquility, an opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty that is Austria. There's a certain magic to this country, a charm that can only be truly appreciated when you're standing in the midst of its scenic grandeur. If you're a lover of nature and beauty, pack your bags, book your tickets, and make your way to Austria. Trust me, there's no better way to appreciate the dazzling allure of this country than to experience it firsthand. So which part of Europe should we explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel videos. Until then, keep exploring.